Log into the HOS application, enter the user's name and password, and then select Login. To switch your driving status, select the Start button on the home screen. Then you will see the 4 statuses available: sleeper, driving, and on duty, not driving. Select the appropriate status to continue. After you select a status, an event window will appear. Your location will automatically populate unless you are out of GPS range. At this point, you may add notes, reason for the change, and then press OK. To conduct a DVIR, you must be on duty. Therefore, go ahead and switch your status to on duty, not driving. Then press OK. Once you've done that, select the DVIR button on the home screen. Here, you will verify the vehicle, the trailer, and form type. Then you must verify the DVIR details for the type and inspector. Then press Inspect. Once the form populates, you will see a list of items that need to be inspected. The list of items will differ depending on the type of vehicle you are operating. Go through each one of the items and select once for the condition is satisfactory, select a second time for the conditions are unsatisfactory, and select a third time for not applicable. And continue doing this for each line item. Notice how I selected unsatisfactory for the service brakes. Then an icon appeared. Select the icon and determine the severity of the situation, low, medium, or high. Being that this are service brakes, including trailer connections, we concluded that this was a high severity. Now you can document the situation by selecting the camera icon, which will allow you to snap a photo, or you can go ahead and add additional comments by selecting the dialog box. Once you've done so, select OK to return back to the DVIR. Once you've completed the entire form, you can press Finish. Now you will see a summary section showing your start time, your elapsed time, and your items inspected. You can leave any general comments, indicate if the defects were corrected, conditions were satisfactory or unsatisfactory. In our case, we'll determine they're unsatisfactory. Then you'll scroll down and leave a signature. Once you've entered a signature one time, it will be saved as the default. Then press Finish DVIR. Press Yes to certify the DVIR. It'll generate a PDF and then return you to the home screen. You can switch your vehicle a few ways. First, press the truck icon on the name placard of the home page. By doing that, a dialog box will prompt. You can choose your vehicle and trailer, and then press Switch to switch your vehicles. It'll ask you if you'd like to conduct a DVIR. Select Yes. From the DVIR screen, you're able to view your vehicle and trailer information. But you can also switch your vehicle. Go ahead and select the Switch Vehicle button. By doing so, you can select the vehicle and trailer and then press Switch. At this point, it'll prompt you to select the vehicle form that will be used. Go ahead and select the proper form from the list provided, and then conduct a DVIR. You can check your shift cycle by pressing the shift cycle button. Then you will see the amount of time left in your current day's drive, the time left in your shift and in your weekly cycle, and the time left until your next break. Press OK to return to the home screen. To view your logs, go ahead and select the Logs button on the home screen. Here you'll see the current day's logs. As you scroll down, you will acquire more information on the driver and any DVIRs that have been conducted. Continue to scroll down to see the previous day's logs. Select the log to open that day's record. Again, you will see the log, the driver information, and any DVIRs that have been conducted. If there were any violations, a red icon will appear. Tap and select the red icon to discover which violations had occurred. To access the HOS app from the navigation screen, turn your attention to the side ribbon and view the third icon down. That will be the HOS app toggle button, and it will display the amount of time left until your break. Select that to be toggled to the HOS app. In the HOS app, you can view your logs, change your driving status, and more. To return back to the navigation screen, select the fleet icon button on the top ribbon. Doing so will bring you back to the navigation screen and continue on your journey. Take a break by selecting the Start Break button. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Press yes to continue. You will then be notified when your break is over. To transfer your logs to a compliance officer, go ahead and select the Roadside Inspection button on the home screen. Here you can review your logs for the current 24-hour period and the previous 7 consecutive days. To show a compliance officer instantly, select the Start Review button. On this page, you can view a summary of today's current log, and in addition, you can view the 7 previous days by pressing the back and forth arrows. Then select Back to return to the previous screen. You must verify your identification since you will be the only one using this HOS system, and then press OK. Now select the Data Transfer button to transfer data to a compliance officer. Select the vehicles and verify which vehicle you'll be using, and in this case, we'll be using the Ford Cutaway, and then select the means by which you'd like to transfer the data. You can also select the Options button and then Data Transfer to do the same thing. Once again, verify your vehicles and the means of transfer to transfer data. To add documents, select the Options button from the home screen. Then select the Documents button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Select Add. You will be prompted to take a picture of a document. Then select OK to confirm. At this screen, you will be able to select the document type, reference number, and any additional notes. Scroll down and then select OK to continue. To add a fuel receipt, select the hamburger option menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. That will open up a menu where you will find the fuel receipts option. To add a fuel receipt, select the Add button. That will prompt you to take a picture of the receipt. Once you've done so, go ahead and press OK to confirm the picture. Make sure to fill out all spaces in the form. To submit the receipt, you must input the gallons purchased and the total cost. Once you've done that, scroll down and press OK to confirm your fuel receipt. To go to the home screen, select the hamburger button again and press the hours of service icon. To certify a log, tap the top right-hand corner of the log box. Because you must be off duty to certify a log, the app will automatically ask you to go off duty. You will then certify your log. It will generate a PDF version, so then press OK to continue once it is populated. Would you like to report a log now? You can email the certified log to a superior or a compliance officer.